Hey guys, I was recently accused of using the Walter Bislin model. Now, that is objectively false. An easy way to test is the source code. Walter's model is about 2,000 lines of JavaScript, where mine is 22,000 lines of TypeScript. Now, another way is the get history. Now, this is impossible to fake due to the way the hashes and signatures work. That right hand side there can all be verified online. This is GitHub. So, as developers, we use version control in our source code, and I can prove that I have spent hundreds and hundreds of hours on this over several months. Whenever we make a change to our source code, we do a small little thing called a commit, and you can see kind of what I did here on the left, what I've been working on over time. And originally, this wasn't even going to be a flat Earth model. If you see the name of this project, it's called Gamepad Display. And what I originally wanted to do was learn about the Gamepad API that modern web browsers have. So that's originally the whole reason why I learned this. I wanted to be able to use the game controller. It's like X input. There's a few ways that it's universal. So the game controller you have now, I can interact with. And I just thought that was so cool. And then from there, it branched off into the basics of 3D modeling. What would happen if I have a sun just doing a little rotation around us? And then from there, it just ended up being this huge custom coded model. But you can even see my source code files here. It's entirely different, nothing the same at all. What did is it model? Was this the first one I started? Let me just see what's here. But I was playing around with like the plasma moon map, and this was the very first iteration I did. I think I called it Model 1, but we're using WebGL. I think Walter Bislin was using legacy JavaScript. And to be honest, I can't even understand Walter's code. His is in JavaScript, where mine's in TypeScript. So we have objects, and it's an entirely different experience. But let me just see. So yeah, this is some of like the code that I'm using for my stuff, and it's nothing at all to do with Walter Bislin's model. They're not even compatible. So I just want to clarify that, let you guys know the history of my model, the purpose of it, how it originally started off, and the Git history is a testament to that. So I know most Globers, they can't code anything themselves. They have they can't do what I did. So that's why they want to lie. They want to bring down their superiors. And at the end of the day, all Globe Earthers have is lies, where we have the proof. And I think that tells us the difference between their character and our character. We don't need to lie and make up anything. We just do it ourselves, do it honestly, and that's how we know the earth is flat.